I am very much in love with her.
Isang lalaking hindi kailanman isusuko ang pag-ibig. Hindi kailanman tatalikod sa babaeng minamahal dahil ang katwiran niya may tamang panahon at pagkakataon. Balik Kapuso uli si Cesar Montano. Simula sa July 15, mapapanood ang actor-director sa pinakabagong primetime soap ng GMA.
Cesar, welcome back. Kapuso ka ulit.
Thank you, it's an honor.
So of course, Cesar, ang dami mong offers. Bakit itong napili mong tanggapin?
Siguro very timely. Sa tingin ko pwede na ulit ako magsimula. And when I accepted it, I have this like very serene feeling of accepting it. So sabi ko, eto na siguro yung tamang trabaho.
Tsaka makasama mo dito si Lodi po, Rocco Nacino, and balik trabaho kayo ni Loris, di ba? So, Cesar, ang role mo dito sa lawyer, no? First time you're portraying a lawyer, hindi?
I think first time.
First time.
First time. First time. And then that's my, sa totoong buhay, that's my frustration. Because my father was a lawyer.
Lawyer.
At gusto ko maging lawyer.
Civil lawyer?
Yeah, civil lawyer.
Ang specialty nun, mga marriages.
Marriages,
Yung mga gusto magpa-annul, gusto magpa-ano. Maganda yun, ano? Timely.
Very timely.
Very timely. Ako, I'm sure, in love ba kayo sa isa't isa?
I am very much in love with her. Walang baka masyadong overacting ang dating sa TV pag sinasabi ko ngayon. But I don't have to say it. But she's my only wife. We are still in the process of healing and putting back together what has been lost. And, of course, we have to be optimistic rather than to be skeptic about it. For the kids.
Are you into a courtship stage na? Sinisimulan mo mandiga ulit?
Well, from day one of the trouble, of course, from day one, of course, ando dun yung intention ko until today. Hindi pa naman ako titigil. Ang dito ako para
knowing you,
patuloy.
Ano namimiss mo kay Shine?
Everything.
Marami.
At amoy niya.
Amoy. Every part, everything.
Every part.
So, of course, you're hoping na magkabalikan kayo.
Of course, I'm very, very optimistic about that. Right now, ang ginagawa ko is, I don't rush things. Gusto ko ring makita niya na komportable siya or siya sa kanya mismo manggaling na okay.
Cesar, i-clear natin yung isang yung mga rumors about annulment. Wala namang ganun, di ba?
Wala kami dinidiscuss na gano'n.
Ano yung Father's Day message mo sa mga anak mo? Tatlong magaganda.
Well, I love you guys. Hindi ko kayo papabayaan kahit na anong mangyari. Andito ako palagi para supportahan kayo, para mahalin kayo.
Shine,
I love you.
Father's Day as a message.
Yeah. Sana makapag-dinner tayo sa Father's Day.
Bukas.
Sama yung mga kids. That's tomorrow.
Then, pag tulong ng Kids Day, sarili nyo na yung isa't isa, di ba? And you have private moment together.
Yeah. We still have private moments. We talk about things.
In her house, in your house, or neutral place? May neutral place.
No, kasi nasa bahay sila, di ba? So, pinupuntahan ko doon. Pinupuntahan ko sila.
Okay, happy Father's Day, Cesar.
Thank you so much.
Sana matupad yung Father's Day wish mo na magkabalikan kayo.
Thank you.
Thank you.